Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, December 22nd, and before we get into today's lovelies, I wanted to remind you of our openings, closings, and deadlines for the Christmas weekend. We will be open tomorrow, the 23rd, from 10 to 5, and then on the 24th and 25th, the shop will be closed. But if you're one of those last minute shoppers and you need to get yourself or someone that's close to you a Cary Quilting gift card, you can still do that online, and I will be checking them and fulfilling them until 10 p.m. on the 24th and until 10 p.m. on the 25th. So if you need to grab something last minute, all you need to do is go online to caryquilting.com, and I'll put a link up in the video description today. And that will come to you in your email, and then you can print it and add it to a card or a gift and support our small business while giving someone the thing they love the most, because who doesn't love a gift card that you can spend on anything? So that is going to be what the next few days look like. And then on the 26th, we'll be open regular hours again. Now, today we have this great kit that is a tongue twister. This is the Kimberbell Cuddle Buddies Quilt and Bear Kit. Try saying that a few times fast. Now, I want to explain this a little bit because you have blue and pink in here. The reason that both of them are in there is so you can choose the color that you want to use in your quilt. Both of them are there, and whichever one you don't choose, you can use in a future project. But the other cool thing about this particular kit is there is a teddy bear that goes with it that matches. So the coloring on this is weird when it came out of the printer, but I did just want to show you that. It's a 12-inch tall teddy bear, and his directions are in here. So you get the teddy bear and all the things you need to make the blanket or quilt, and you can make it in either color. So again, that's available in the shop and online now. Next up, we have some new Hoffman Batiks. I like this one. It looks very wintry. And these are just sort of a hodgepodge of things. Hoffman has so many batiks to choose from when we are shopping. Literally, I don't know, 200, 300 pieces get shown every time the rep comes around. And so I normally just kind of pick and choose, or I hand a bunch of clips to a coworker and they pick and choose. These could have been Susan's picks and choices. But we like to add new batiks to our batik section because it gives you a lot of new options. Ooh, that one's fun. Super fun. And so these things will just fold right in with the rest of our batik collection. Now, next week, about a week ago, I had asked for you guys to send questions that you wanted answered in next week's videos, because next week we don't have a lot of fabric that arrives because everyone's off work for the next few days. And so instead of showing new fabric next week, I'm going to be answering your questions. And I believe I have 20 questions to answer on Tuesday through Friday. And I think I'm actually going to go into the next week to answer a question after New Year's as well. So be sure to tune in. A lot of them are really, really thoughtful. Oh, this is so pretty. Thoughtful and great questions, and actually took me a while to come up with some answers. So you guys gave me some good homework to do in asking your questions, and I can't wait to give you all your answers next week. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. I hope you have a great holiday weekend, and I will see you back here from the shop on the 26th. Bye.